interpreting oscilloscope graph. Device starts receiving the signal while walking towards the target. The signal is weak, and oscilloscope does not rise. This means that the target is buried at a deep level, and it's also a large one. Device starts to receive the signal as you walk towards the target. It suddenly rises sharply and reaches max level. This means that the target is a large one and buried at a shallow level close to the surface. No depth is determined, since it would be misleading to obtain depth here. Depth measurements obtained in such cases would not be accurate. Now walking towards the target, and device started to receive the signal. No significant rise in oscilloscope graph, since signal diameter is not significantly prolonged. We can understand that the target is a small one and buried at a deep level. Device now detects the target. As you can see, the signal reaches max level and the signal diameter is not significantly extended. This means that the target is a small one and buried at a shallow level, close to the surface. Device now detects the target. As you can see, the signal has reached max level at the time it was detected, and the device received a second signal while the first one was decreasing, and thus fell down to minimum level. This means that there are two small targets available, staying close to each other and also to the surface. Now walking towards the target, and device started to receive the signal. The signal makes a curve, goes downwards without rising so much, and then diminishes. This means that the target is a large one located in not too deep or shallow, but at a moderate depth. Following conclusion can be made. The larger the signal diameter, the larger the target is. The higher the signal level is, meaning that if it reaches max level, the closer to the surface the target is. If signal remains unchanged during search, in other words, if oscilloscope system proceeds linearly, the signal received is from a mineralized structure. Here you should check ground settings and then continue searching.